Hey y'all, let's talk about the moon real fast. So there are 8 major phases of the moon, and last week we experienced 2 of them. We experienced the moon waning, and we also experienced a new moon. And a new moon is what we refer to as when the moon and the sun line up so perfectly that we are looking at the unlit half of the moon, which just basically means it's the dark side of the moon. And last week, the new moon was in Aries, which really just means that it is time to take action. It's time to do the things that you've been putting off so that you can feel the way you've been wanting to feel. Last week, I shot this video on Tuesday, and I spent last Tuesday trying to get my life together so that I wouldn't feel so stagnant by the time the moon came. Tuesday morning, I woke up to the sounds of angry birds and church bells, and I decided that I was going to do a tarot reading to try and figure out why was I feeling so discontent. So I asked my deck 2 questions. I asked, what is this feeling that I need to pinpoint? And I asked, how do I get rid of this feeling? The card that I got for the feeling that I need to pinpoint is represented by the moon, which basically just means that I am scaring myself and I need to recognize what is really bothering me. And then the card that I got as a response to what can I do to stop feeling this way was the Hangman in reverse, which basically just means that I am procrastinating. I'm not doing what I need to do, what I know I need to do in order to feel better about myself and the things around me, which basically, to me, meant I need to clean my room. My room is not large, and I really have been neglecting it. It looks awful. I don't know how I did this to myself. It just happened kind of all at once. So I just decided that I was going to spend a few hours before I was supposed to meet up with my friends and clean my room.
One, two, three. One, two, three.
After I cleaned my room, I had to get ready because I had candy club with my friends, which is just when we eat candy on Tuesdays.
Just gotta finish up here. Go now. Got my camera set up. Precision operation. This is a tactical operation. You gotta let go of my arm.
This is ridiculous. I thought you had your shoes on.
Oh, this light is so nice.
What'd you say?
I said this light is so nice.
I know. Oh, yeah. This one too. It's such that good cost.
Or
I
a
bet this
penis.
isn't so. I bet
It's a
it's just
penis.
not standard.
After we ate candy and made lunch, I decided that I wanted to rearrange my bedroom a little bit. Decided I was going to do a really quick DIY with some battery-powered fairy lights that I've had for a while. I really wanted to make a visually interesting headboard, and I saw this Sorry Girls video where Becky draws a circle on her wall.
That worked so well. So well. Okay.
Using some string and a pencil, so I grabbed some embroidery floss and some scotch tape and a pencil, and I got to work. I just measured from the middle of my bed to one corner of my bed, and then I taped the string towards the middle of my bed, and then I held it steady also with my hand just in case I pulled too hard, and then I just went ahead and drew a circle, and I taped the fairy lights along the circle with some clear scotch tape. That was it. I was very satisfied with the way everything came together. I forgot to shoot a final 360 of after everything came together, but I'm not going back to do that, so thanks for watching.